Well, I'm here at the Matrox stand here at NAB 2016. This is one of 3 videos that we're doing here this year, so make sure you check out the other 2 on the website. I've got Dan Maloney with me. Hi, Dan.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, and you. Well, we're going to talk about the Matrox Monarch range. Tell us about this.
Sure. A couple of years ago, we introduced our first of the Monarch line, Monarch HD. It's a streaming and recording appliance. Followed up with a Monarch HDX, which is a slightly more professional device targeting broadcast. Now, this found great success in the educational space for a variety of applications, including live event streaming, or in the behavioral sciences departments where they want to record a lot of test subjects and their interactions with in various situations. We weren't in the classrooms, and we were so close. Our customers kept telling us, "You're very close. You're missing just a couple of things." And the big problem was we weren't able to capture the professor and the computer-generated content simultaneously. And so with the Monarch LCS, that's exactly what we've done. We're able to take SDI video or HDMI video, as well as HDMI computer content, and then provide a variety of layouts, make those available for recording or for live streaming applications. So I'm showing a side-by-side here, and it's a crop where we crop the professor so needless video doesn't have to be captured. There's a picture-in-picture layouts, and there's a couple of production features where you can switch from one feed to the next or overlay the professor and take him off. However, what we feel in the future is that the latest multi-stream player technology, which will be embedded in many of these websites, school portals, will enable a user to encode or consume 2 videos at once and do the production at the video player level. So the Monarch LCS allows you to capture 2 streams completely, or 2 videos completely independently, to allow so that when they're uploaded to be consumed, the video server can serve both of those files simultaneously, and it's the user that would go ahead and click the look that they want when they want. So that's dynamic selection. To make that a possibility, we had to ensure that our frame sync technology was embedded in the device. Video and computer signals are rarely the same frame rate. They're often not even the same resolution. What we wanted to do is, by taking those 2 dissimilar signals, bring them into the device before we actually encode them and put them onto the media, that they be in perfect lockstep with the audio coming in. So 60 frame per second signal and a 25 frame per second interlaced video signal will be recorded at exactly 25 frame per second with the audio synchronized, so that the multi-stream player, when you launch that, they both start on the same frame and you could scrub to any point and there would be no drifting at any point during the playback. So the Monarch LCS is a network appliance, just like all of the other devices. It sits under the lectern or back in some type of equipment room. You configure it once and you never have to touch it again, and that's exactly what the schools wanted. Easy to use, easy to integrate, easy to operate.
Dan, it's great. We've had a little look at it, and if people wanted to find out more information about the Monarch the Monarch LCS, and they haven't been able to get here at NAB, what's the website they can go to?
Matrox.com/video. The product is available end of June, price of $24.95.
Dan, thank you very much. Go and check out the website and find out more information about the Matrox Monarch LCS, and of course the other Monarchs in the range as well. Don't forget to check out the other 2 videos from Matrox here at NAB 2016, and the rest of what we've been doing here is available on our website, kitplus.com.